welcome or welcome back. So for today's video, what's today? Saturday, January 15th, and this weekend I feel like I really just need a reset. And honestly, my to-do list for this weekend goes far beyond just cleaning. I feel like I just have so much stuff that I need to get done, and we're gonna go through all of it. I'm gonna take y'all along with me. Hopefully, if you've been feeling like you need a bit of a reset, this video can inspire you to do it. Callie was barking. I came over here and threw the blanket on top of her. I'll show y'all in a sec. And like typically when I do that, she like, you know, crawls her way out, but look. Wait, where'd Callie go? I don't know where Callie is. Callie, where are you? Oh, there you are. Also, how beautiful is this blanket? I got it from TJ Maxx. I love how it looks and it's so soft. You want to go back under the blanket? You are so cute. At 12:30, I'm also really excited. I have a FaceTime call with 3 of my friends because we're discussing my best friend's bachelorette party. She's getting married September of 2022, and I'm the maid of honor, and my friends are being incredible though. We're all kind of like planning the bachelorette party weekend trip thing together. So I have that FaceTime at 12:30, and then this is just like a wedding activities filled day. At 4, well, I have to leave at 3, but at 4 I'm going with her. She's got an appointment to try on wedding gowns, and I'm so excited. It's gonna be so much fun. So we have a lot to do today, but I think, like I said, we're gonna start off by cleaning. Cal, this is such a cute angle of you. So typically with these clean with me vlog style videos, I always start off by making a to-do list, but today I wanted to, for my reset refresh, start off with a nice clean condo. As you could see, all the rooms were pretty messy, so I figured before we make our to-do list, since there are a lot of refresh things that I want to get done that don't really have to do with cleaning necessarily, and they'll be easier and more enjoyable to get done if everything is nice and clean. So before we're even making our to-do list, we are starting with a clean with me. So starting off in the kitchen, putting all the dishes away. I also recently uploaded on my TikTok a 5-step kitchen cleaning routine, so I'll have that TikTok linked in the description. We're basically following that routine here as well, making sure that it's nice and tidy, and then we'll move on to the living room. But it's not real. Now, since this is a reset, refresh themed video, I wanted to pick a quote that is something I say to myself pretty often now, ever since I saw it, that really helps me kind of reset my mindset if I'm not feeling that great and I feel like something is really stressing me out. This is one of my new all-time favorite quotes. So the quote is, always say, my peace is more important when you find yourself reacting to something that doesn't deserve your energy. I love this quote so much because I find, especially lately, I get in my head about a lot of stuff and I'll start overthinking the smallest little detail. Let me know if that's something that you deal with as well, because I am definitely an overthinker by nature, and I'm really working to change that and not drive myself crazy with, you know, overthinking every little thing. And this quote, and reminding myself of this quote when I start to get into that habit, is really been helpful for me. So I hope this can help you out if you do tend to do the same thing. So I have to leave in like 15 minutes. It's 2:46 and I have to leave by 3 to get to Larissa's. So we're gonna clean up really quick. I know it's really bad. Lots of laundry to do. There's actually a load going right now though. I'm very disappointed. My little stool that I had here, I got from TJ Maxx, it broke. I kind of wish I was filming because I feel like that would have been funny. But I was sitting on it and it just all of a sudden collapsed. So that I'll have to throw out. This I want to try and keep because I love it. I don't know, maybe I can try and like build a base for it. But for right now, I just brought this chair in here so that I have something to sit with. A million people in the crowd, but I only see your face in all the lights.
And as the bass keep pounding on me, baby, I really wanna make you mine. I don't really care about love. I don't really care about happy ever afters. Something about you gives me hope. Something about you, yeah. When the sun goes down and the night sky's falling.
How pretty is this vase? I got it from TJ Maxx. This is just the sticker. I have to take that off, but I'm so excited to decorate for spring with this. I feel like this is going to be gorgeous with like some big flowers.
You believe in one-time lovers. It's deep inside of my wildest dreams. You'll be by my side when the sun goes
Later in the video, we actually declutter and organize that entire drawer. You will see it is very decluttered, but it's so satisfying when we reorganize it and it looks so much nicer and so much cleaner. So I'm very excited to share that with y'all later and hopefully motivate you to do some decluttering of your own. All right, I'm about to go head out to Larissa's and I wanted to quickly show you my outfit because I really like it. This sweater is from TJ Maxx, but it's the brand Ralph Lauren, I believe. And then this jacket, how cute is this? This is from TJ Maxx too. I got it few weeks ago, but I really like it. And then Lululemon leggings, and my boots are you gonna be surprised, also from TJ Maxx. So this is actually the next morning, Sunday morning for me that day. Dress shopping was so much fun. She narrowed it down to her top 2 choices and we're pretty sure she knows which one she's gonna go with. She looked beautiful in both of them, and whichever one she chooses is gonna be perfect for the day. But this morning I woke up and I wanted to get like more of a slow but productive start to the day. So I thought that a good way to be slow and productive at the same time was fold some laundry while I watched What I Like About You, which is like, I used to love that show in high school and now I'm rewatching it and I love it even more. Okay, quick overview of the to-do list. We have laundry to fold. I want to wash and dry and make my bed with clean sheets. We have to give Callie a bath, which is going to be adorable. And then I want to put on my self-tanner. I just always feel better, and I really love starting the week with a fresh tan put on. I have to go to Walmart and pick up a few things from there. And then I have 2 organization projects of 2 spaces in my home that I like open pretty much every single day, and they have just both become so cluttered and messy that it'll be so refreshing to organize those. Bath time. Ready to take a bath? I love watching this footage. Callie is just so darn adorable. I have to say, she is a huge water lover. Like, she loves swimming, oceans, ponds, her absolute favorite things. She doesn't like pools though, which is kind of funny. I think maybe it's the smell of the chlorine. But with baths, she, as you can see, she's very good. Like, she will stand there and let me wash her. She doesn't try and jump out. She definitely doesn't love it, but I am so thankful that she behaves so well in the bath and will let me wash her. I always set her up on this chair with her towel after her bath so she can dry. Unless it's warm out, then she'd go on the patio. But as you saw, it's like 17 degrees. Hey guys! Okay, so after Cal had her bath, now she's drying off. I took a quick shower, exfoliated, washed my face, all that, and we are going to do self-tanner. I know it's January, but I just feel a lot better. The Loving Tan 2-Hour Express Deluxe Bronzing Mousse. Love this stuff. And my biggest tip when it comes to keeping yourself tan looking nice throughout the week and keeping it like looking like when you first put it on, apply lotion every single day. That's one of those things that I definitely get lazy on, and I don't put lotion on my body every single day, but it's very, very important, especially when you have tanner on, to moisturize. Otherwise, that's when it's gonna get very like dry and patchy looking, but if you keep your skin hydrated, it won't. And this is Burt's Bees. I'd say First Aid Beauty and Burt's Bees are my favorite like skincare product lines. Also, how cute is this headband? My friend Haley got it for me for Christmas. I love this thing. I think it's so cute. All right, I'm gonna finish watching Tara Michelle's vlog. I really love her channel, and put my tanner on, and I'm gonna like snap my fingers and then I'll have my tanner on. Now that my tanner's on, I'm probably gonna wear this for like 6-7 hours. I don't know, I'll wash it off tonight, take a shower before I go to bed. And I just heard the laundry be done, which means the clothes are dry, which means that we can go put the bed sheets in the washing machine and fold the clean clothes. Oh, but first we can cross off a couple things from here. I'm so happy we could check 2 things off. Not to be dramatic, but one of the most amazing feelings in the entire world is at the end of a long day after you've showered, your hair is washed, you feel nice and clean, and you climb into bed with freshly clean sheets. Of course, we had to add washing the sheets to this reset routine. So I'm stripping the bed, and then while those sheets are in the wash, we are about to fold some laundry because I had another load going. There's so much laundry to do on, pretty much every day, but especially reset days, lots of laundry to do. Alrighty, I decided to get another cup of coffee. This smells so good. I feel like I've been drinking iced recently, but I was really craving a nice hot cup of coffee. Also, if you're curious, my makeup table is from IKEA. And let's just take a look. See how bad it is? I have so many makeup pouches. That's something we are going to have to sort through, but this is the one that I'm definitely not getting rid of. My best friend Larissa gave it to me when she, in her little package that asked me to be her maid of honor. When I went to Florida with Larissa back in October, I picked up this nice container of sunscreen, and then I realized that it was like too many fluid ounces to even be able to take on the airplane, so couldn't take that. Just oh, that fell. It's a beauty blender. And then a whole bunch of makeup that we'll have to go through. Another pad. My camera died, but I did finish, and I'm excited to show you all how much better it looks. How much nicer does that look? This literally makes me feel so happy just knowing that tomorrow morning when I go in to grab anything from this drawer, it's not going to be a complete disaster, and I can actually open it and close it easily. It is now 5:20 p.m. I just got back from Walmart, got a whole bunch of stuff that I've been really needing, so I'm really glad that I finally made the trip. If you're curious, you could probably tell, but no, I have not showered yet. We're gonna wait till more like 7 or 8 because I put it on around noon, so I want to make sure that I wore it for a full 7 to 8 hours. But now I'm gonna put all this stuff away.
Okay.
Hey, what's up?
Just calling to say hi. I got my booster.
This cabinet has gotten way too messy and cluttered. It just kind of became like a catch-all for anything that I didn't know where to put, almost like a junk drawer, but like a junk cabinet. So I took some time to sort through it, and this is one of those cabinets that I go into pretty much every single day. So it feels so good to have it nice and clean and organized now. And this is motivation for you. If whatever that spot is, junk drawer, junk cabinet, whatever it is that you keep putting off organizing it, go organize it, because I promise you will be so happy with yourself once you do it. guys. I don't know if it's the setting of the camera, but I feel like I look really, I don't know, orangey. Is that any better, or is that like super blue now? Also, one of my nails fell off, so I'm putting it back on. Today is Monday, January 17th at 2:01 p.m. I'm currently about to do some voiceover to finish up the video, and then it will be live for y'all. So I'm filming this the same day that the video goes live. Let me know in the comments what you were doing earlier today, or what were you doing January 17th at 2:00 p.m. because that's what time it is for me, and I'm curious, what were we both doing at the exact same time? 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'm curious, what are you doing literally right now, like as I'm filming this right now in this moment? What are you doing? Or what were you doing? And if you watched until this part, comment trees. It's so random. But I'm looking at my prints with the trees on them, which are from Etsy, by the way. I'll have them linked in the description. But comment trees if you watch until this part. But I think that's going to be it for today. I love y'all so, so much. Thank you so much for watching till the end of this video, and I will see you in my next one. And Callie says bye too. Say bye, baby.